In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to point your domain in Hostinger effectively. This is an essential task if you're looking to host your website on Hostinger and ensure everything runs smoothly. So, let's jump right in and break this down step by step. First, you need to log into your Hostinger account and access your hPanel. Once you're in, go to the Websites section and then click on Manage for the website you're working with. Here you'll find a guide that details the process, but we're going to focus specifically on the A record option. This is an essential step because A records are what connect your domain to a server, making your website visible on the internet. Once you select the A record option, you'll notice an IP address provided by Hostinger. Make sure to copy this IP address since it will play a vital role in the upcoming steps. Keep this information handy as you'll need to input it in your DNS settings. Now, it's time to head over to your DNS zone at your domain registrar's site. This is typically where you manage your domain settings outside of Hostinger, where the domain was initially purchased. Here, you'll want to look for any existing A or KPA records for the @ symbol, as well as CNAME records for www. It's important to delete these existing entries. Clearing out these old records ensures that the new ones you're about to create don't conflict and confuse where your domain should be pointing. Next, you're going to create some new records. Start by setting up a new A record for the @ symbol and paste in the Hostinger IP address you copied earlier. This will direct your main domain to the new server at Hostinger. Following that, you'll need to create another record for www. This can either be an A record using the same IP address or a CNAME record pointing to the @ symbol. Using a CNAME for www often makes things cleaner and easier to manage since it automatically follows wherever the A record is pointing. Once all the changes are made, save your DNS settings. DNS changes can take some time to propagate worldwide, so be patient as it may take up to 24 hours for these updates to be fully reflected. After waiting, you should go back to your hPanel in Hostinger to confirm that the records are live. If everything's set correctly, you should see confirmation that your domain is now pointing to the Hostinger server. And there you have it. Your domain is now successfully pointed to Hostinger. Always remember to double-check each step carefully, and if you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to reach out to Hostinger's support for assistance. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your website.